In this video, I'll show you how to create a Canva account. So once you go to www.canva.com, once you're on the home page, you go to the right hand corner up at the top and you'll see sign up. Click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you'll see some options. Well, I've created an account before, so that's why this came up. But if you click continue another way, there's multiple options that you could continue to sign in with Canva, so you don't necessarily have to fill out a long form. You could just sign in with your Google account or your Facebook account. I recommend signing in with any one of these two because it makes it easier and quicker for you to sign into your account without going through a lot of inputting of text or filling out a long form. So you could just click on continue with Google if you have a Gmail account, or continue with Facebook if you have a Facebook account. So I have a Google account which I'm going to sign into, so I'm going to click continue with Google. So once you click that, you'll select the Google account that you want to sign in with, or if you haven't signed into your Google account as yet on your browser, then you'll be asked to input your email address and your password to verify your credential. So I'm going to click on the second email here. So once I click on it, it's asking me to sign in with Google and you're signing back into Canva. So, right, so I'll click continue to give them permission to sign me in using my Google account, which is very safe because Canva is a very trusted website. So I'll click continue. So once I click continue, I'm on the home page for Canva, and it's very easy like that. All right, so it's very easy to sign in or create a Canva account. So you could just go to canva.com and you could click sign up, and you could actually sign up with your Facebook or your gmail.com email address. All right, there are other options that you could select, but these are the two options that I recommend.